Hey guys, so this is like very quick video for how to understand Piximov and how to use it. So how it actually works is that in the moment when you are going to have a project here, then on the left side you are going to find items here. Of course, you're gonna have preferences where you're gonna have like horizontal or vertical workspace. That's up to you. And it's very simple and it's like well-made tool and developed. So this is something that I actually like. And also what I like is that there are going to be make tutorials, more tutorials that you can find on YouTube. So here you're going to have options to add item, and you have like these things here. So you can add an image, audio, video, rectangle, and like vector shape, 3D model, image sequence, text, group, line, light. So let's, for example, I can click here, add image and video. And now let's go to like desktop and I'll just choose an image that I got here somewhere. So for example, right here. And now in the moment when you can do it, what I really like is the web base that you can actually like work with it right here. And there you, for example, for the image, now you can of course like add also the audio, video. I can add a rectangle. I can add a disk and ellipse, also kind of like vector shape if I would like. As you can see that you can like work with it. Then I can add a 3D model if I got it. Then of course you can add like a text here. So I can start writing here text on the right side. So always the edits are on the right. I don't know how to like move this, but you know, it's like this is a text. This is pretty standard thing, right? And then what I can do is that in the moment when you're gonna have like lines here and on data, you can like of course like move it, you can edit it. This is like the simple editing things, of course. And then what you can do is that you can change positions, same as when you're gonna click here like learn the basics, and it's going to move you through like how to work. Right, so this is something that you can do. So I can take the image, right? I can take it here, just like move this here. I can take an image, then I can click the position here. See, and it's kind of like moving, right? So you can like play around with it and you can just like achieve few things here and there. There are plenty of tutorials. Now it's not a bad tool. You can like add effects here. So as you can see, you can add also like a glitch here. Now if I want to, I can like remove it, or I can click here, click effects. I can add an effect here and you get like few effects here that you can like try for yourself. And you can see it's like moving. So this is kind of like another thing that you can do. And it's really like great just like for the basic on actually like do some things and play around with it. Maybe you're gonna have this kind of like alternative to After Effects. So yeah, that's like you can have also the composition here, the history and keyboard shortcuts what you can actually like get here, and you can have effects and properties. So it's like kind of like the basics, but I really like when they're like new products, so I highly recommend to check it out. I hope it provides a little bit of value and what you can actually do with it. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.